My name is Dr. Sierra Diamsey. I practice dentistry as a general practitioner in Draper, Utah, and we have been lucky to acquire a Solea laser recently. And the Solea laser is changing dentistry in the way it provides a different type of treatment. It's a different experience for the patient. A lot of times we can reduce the amount of anesthesia or completely remove it from the procedure, and it really helps patients have a better understanding of what an easy, straightforward dental experience is like. And it changes it from their traditional experiences. And even just a slight change in the way that the appointment goes, a lot of times is reassuring for patients. The technology is really changing the face of dentistry, and we're very excited to be a part of that. The Solea laser is a CO2 laser, and it is unique in that it can be effective on both hard tissue, which is tooth structure, bone, that underlying softer tooth structure, as well as soft tissue, so the gums, the cheeks, the tongue. It has a huge variety in the applications, and it works in a way that once the laser treats the area, there's not a lot of residue or bleeding or anything after the treatment. It makes everything a lot cleaner and a lot more predictable. The Solea laser changes the experience for the patient because it has multi areas where it is different than the traditional drill, the traditional syringe, everything like that. It is a different sound. It is a different handpiece and size. It also, with the ability to remove the anesthesia from the appointment, that's obviously a huge change for patients. They didn't know, a lot of them didn't know that's possible, or a lot of them think that without the anesthesia, they're going to be a huge amount of pain. It's also a very good time component. When you change the way that you're going about the treatment, usually it's a little bit faster. So patients aren't inundated with this huge, hour-long appointment for a simple filling. It's in and out, it's quick, they leave more comfortable, and it just reassures them that there's different options for various treatment out there. The different experience that patients will have when we use the Solea laser versus traditional methods. Every single time I use the laser, the patient's initial feedback is like, "Wow, this is really high tech. Like, is this new? Has this been around a long time? I've never seen this. That was so quick." They also really like the sound of the laser. There is a sound associated, but it's not that traditional high pitched drilling sound. So overall, it's just more comfortable for their senses. They're not hearing that drilling sound. A lot of times we can avoid using the topical, which has a very aggressive flavor to it. Most of the patients just think it's an easier and more technologically advanced procedure. The Solea laser has helped our practice stand out in our area by mostly by the limited number of Solea lasers that are available in our community. A lot of the providers using Solea are pediatric focused. And so for us to bring it into a family practice and a cosmetic practice is a little bit different. You're not going to find it very frequently in our area. So we're really excited to be the pioneers in that and offer it to the people of our community. If you are interested in the Solea laser and learning more about it, or interested in a different, more advanced experience for your dental care, I would highly encourage you to give us a call and come meet our team. My team is very, very excited to educate you and kind of show you all the bells and whistles and explain why your dental appointments can be more comfortable and enjoyable. So we would love to meet you and you can see for yourself.